Hey designers, let's dive into creating a cinematic text animation in Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll begin by selecting the text tool and typing out your desired text. Once you've done that, highlight the text and pick any font that suits the style you're going for. Let's settle on a font and make sure it's visually appealing. Now, adjust the position of the text to where you'd like it to appear in your frame. We're going to apply two key animations here. First, let's create a duplicate of the text layer by pressing the Alt key on your keyboard and dragging the layer upwards to create a copy. We'll start by working on the top text layer, so go ahead and hide the bottom one for now. With the top layer selected, click on the stopwatch next to the scale property to activate keyframing. Move your time indicator a few frames forward and add a keyframe here. Head back to the first frame and increase the scale value of the text. When you preview it, you'll see the text scaling from a larger size. Now, select the first keyframe and apply ease out to it. Then go to the second keyframe and apply ease in. Open up the Scale drop-down menu to reveal the graph editor, and adjust the speed graph for a smoother transition between keyframes. This will give the animation a polished, cinematic feel. Once the scale animation looks good, we can shift focus to the second animation. Unhide the bottom text layer and hide the one we've just worked on. Offset the second text layer by moving it a few frames forward to create a staggered effect. Now, with the bottom layer selected, we'll introduce a masking effect. Choose the pen tool under the opacity section and draw a slanted rectangle mask over the text. This will help create a reveal or transition effect for the text. Next, we'll add some movement to the mask. Start by clicking on the stopwatch next to Mask Path to set a keyframe. Move the time indicator forward by a few frames, then select the mask and drag it all the way to the right side of the screen. Now, let's soften the edges of the mask by increasing the mask feather. You want to ensure that the first character of your text isn't visible when the mask starts. If you can still see it, adjust the mask's starting position until it's hidden. Similarly, check the mask at the end of the animation. If the text becomes visible too early, you'll need to move the mask further to the right. Preview the animation to see how the reveal looks. If needed, increase the mask feather a bit more for a smoother transition. Once you're satisfied, the second animation is done. Finally, unhide the second text layer and preview the entire animation. If there's an issue with the positioning of the second text layer, such as it appearing too soon, just move the layer slightly to the left. This way, it will appear right after the mask completes its reveal. Once everything looks smooth, your cinematic text animation is complete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.